you made this you see, yeah, you pulled the person, you made her relocate. You didn't make her. You're going to say you didn't make her, but what if she comes back to you, Rich, 6 months after in the job, and she said, Rich, this company is really bad. This is not like it seemed. And you're going to say, it's not my fault. You made the decision. Is that what you're going to say?
You're going to say, listen, I'm so sorry. I didn't know. Yeah. I mean, I just had a situation. A candidate didn't, he left after 5 months. The VP called me up and said, hey, you're going to give me a refund? I said, no. He's like, why not? And I was like, well, from what the candidate's telling me, this changed, this changed, this changed, this changed, it's not what we agreed upon. And he's like, I get it. I mean, he was like, I mean, these people are all business people. They understand. They may ask for things. Doesn't mean you have to do them. And, if a company like this person went to this horrible place that she transferred to, are you really going to do business with that company again? Probably not. I wouldn't.